22 paper. Arithmetic progression question. Comparatively, this is an easy question. Only there are 4 parts and all are basic questions. Let's see. Okay, for a school sports activity, the students have been placed such that first row consists of 7 students and every row consists of 3 students more than row before it. Then the number of students in each row when taken in order, that's an arithmetic progression. Right? First, second, third terms of this progression. Okay, in first row there are 7 students. In next row, 3 students more than that. That means 10 students. And then 13 students. Okay, to write this, you will get 2 marks. You will get 2 marks. This is a grade 5 question. Then second one, show that nth term of this progression Tn equals to Tn 3n plus 4. Okay, so to show Tn, we know that a plus n minus 1 into d. That's the formula we need to use and substitute. Since it is nth term, we can keep n as it is. No need to substitute anything for n. A is 7 first term plus n minus 1, the common difference of this arithmetic progression, which is 10 minus 7, 3. Okay, then let's expand. 7 plus 3n minus 3. 3n minus 3. So we can give priority to 3n. Then 7 minus 3, that's 4. So 3n plus 4. That would be our Tn. Tn. That's the expression for Tn. Then after for third question, in which row are there 40 students? In which row are there 40 students? So you cannot substitute n as 40. Okay, you cannot substitute n as 40. Here they are not asking how many students in 40th row. They are asking in which row 40 students. That means Tn equals to 40. Tn equals to 40. So we know the expression for 3n. Tn, which is 3n plus 4 equals to 40. So we have to find the value for n. That means isolate the n. 40 and minus 4. This plus 4 will become minus 4. So 3n equals to 36. To find n, we have to divide 36 by 3. That will give you 12. So 40 is 12th term of this arithmetic progression. So in which row are there 40 students? You should write in 12th row. In 12th row, there are 40 students. In 12th row, there are 40 students. If only 700 students have been selected for this sports activity, show with reasons whether the first 20 rows can be filled when the students are placed in the above manner. Okay, in above manner. So that means you should show that up to 20th term. Okay, up to 20th term. 20 rows, there are 700 students. Likewise, we have to show that. Show whether first 20 rows can be filled when the students are placed in the above manner. So we have to show whether that's possible or not. Okay, so we have to find, what do we need to find? We have to find how many students in first 20 rows. Okay, for that we know our A as 7 and D 3. Let's write the expression for Sn. Okay, Sn. Sn is n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have to find for 20 terms, 20 rows. So n should be substituted by number 20. 2a, that means 2 times 7, 14 plus n minus 1 into d, which is, no, here for n also we can substitute it as 20 because n should be substituted as 20 in these 3 instances. There are 3 occurrences of n, so we have to substitute that one as 20. 20 minus 1 into d3. Then I'll simplify. These two can be simplified. 20 and 2, that will give you 10. Then inside the bracket, 14 plus 19 times 3, that's 57. 57. So 57 plus 14, that's 71 times 10, 710. So we totally need 710 students to fill first 20 rows. Okay, to fill first 20 rows. So 710 is greater than 700. But they told if only 700 students have been selected for that sports activity, they cannot fill the first 20 rows, because to fill first 20 rows we totally need 710 students. No, we have to show with reasons whether the first 20 rows can be filled or not. So here you should write your answer as 710. Definitely you should indicate by using an inequality. Then after you should write your reason. To fill first 20 rows, there are 710 students needed. Yeah. Yeah. So we cannot fill 20 rows. Yeah. We cannot. We can't fill first 20 rows with 700 by 700 students because we need 710 students to fill first 20 rows. We can't fill first 20 rows by 700 students. That's the way you should write your